In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up Python on Windows 10 and 11. We'll go from a clean download to verifying everything works in the command line, and I'll point out a few options so you can choose the setup that fits you best. First, open your web browser and head to the official Python website at python.org. On the homepage, hover over Downloads and choose Windows. You'll see a big button for the latest stable release. Click the Windows installer link to download it. For most modern PCs, the 64-bit installer is the right choice. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, run the installer by double-clicking the .exe file. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes so the installer can proceed. On the very first screen of the installer, look at the bottom and check the box that says Add python.exe to path. This is important. Adding Python to your path lets you run Python from any command prompt or PowerShell window without typing the full install location. It makes using Python from the terminal simple and consistent. Now decide how you want to install. If you're new to Python or just want the recommended setup, click Install Now. This includes essentials like pip, idle, and the documentation, and it chooses a standard location. If you prefer control, click Customize Installation to review optional features, choose where Python is installed, or install it for all users on the machine. If you're not sure the default settings are safe and work well, let the installer run. This can take a minute. Near the end, you might see an option related to the Windows path length limit. Enabling it can prevent occasional file path issues in development, but it's optional. When the installer reports it's finished, click Close. Next, open a terminal. On Windows, you can press the Windows key, type Command Prompt or PowerShell, and open it. In the terminal, type Python R version and press Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a Python version number printed back. That confirms the installation worked. If the command isn't recognized, close and reopen your terminal to refresh the path. Still not working? Rerun the installer and make sure add python.exe to path is checked, or try py version as an alternative command on Windows. That's it. Python is installed and ready. From here, you can run Python to open the interactive shell and use pip to install packages as you start building your projects.